We've got a big update on that whole Mizkif Emiru situation because you had big streamers, big accusations, and now we're seeing a lawsuit. With Mizkif now suing Emiru, Asmongold, and OTK for defamation, among other things. With a complaint saying that the three have acted in concert to wrongfully accuse Mizkif of, quote, serious criminal activity for no purpose other than to harm him, his reputation, and his business, and wrest from him control of the companies that he helped build. Because last month we talked about how Emiru, who used to date Mizkif, went on stream and accused him of sexual assault, abuse, and more. And then you had Mizkif doing his own stream denying her allegations, but by and large, most people ended up taking her side and they didn't really think Mizkif made a great case for himself. And so what you saw, she ended up getting the support of major creators like Asmongold. And so now in a lawsuit filed in Texas, you have Mizkif suing both of those creators, the organization OTK, and two other companies. And where we'll start with these lawsuit updates is with Emiru, because the complaint alleges that she, quote, lied and basically accused Mizkif of psychological and domestic abuse, stalking and harassment, sexual assault, and threats of blackmail, and saying these slanderous accusations were made live before an audience of tens of thousands and have since been viewed millions of times across various platforms. And the lawsuit then goes on to push back against those claims, claiming that her allegation of sexual assault doesn't actually meet the definition of the act. But then also it says that the same day that Emiru made her allegations, OTK, which is a media collective that Mizkif co-founded, sent him a letter to terminate his interest in the company. And saying that letter also claimed that he owed $600,000 to Mythic Talent Management, and saying that he violated an agreement that he had with King Gaming Labs. And then regarding Asmongold, the complaint notes that he's also a part owner of OTK, and then alleges that since Emiru made her allegations, he has, quote, continuously defamed Mizkif on a near daily basis. It's saying that Asmongold has been painting Mizkif as the aggressor and abuser in his relationship with Emiru, and claiming that even though Asmongold will sometimes couch his statements with an allegedly, he notes he's only giving that disclaimer for legal reasons. And you then had the complaint adding that Asmongold has enriched himself from his smear campaign by drama baiting for views. And so according to Mizkif, all of these combined actions have caused serious and lasting damage to his personal reputation. We're saying that he's lost followers and subscribers and anticipates losing sponsorship opportunities as well. So because of all that, he's seeking a declaratory judgment against the companies OTK, Mythic, and King. And with all that, he also accused OTK and King of contract breaches, and then accused Emiru and Asmongold of defamation. And so for now, while we wait to see how this plays out in an actual legal court, as far as in the court of public opinion, the response, it's mostly been people shocked that Mizkif's taking legal action and doubting his chances of winning. But for now, that's where we are. We'll have to wait to see where this goes. And especially if you're in this space, I'd love to know your thoughts, opinions, and reactions.